Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. On today's unbox we're going to have our LK GPS Tracker Slim. So this is one of our most popular units on our website. We'll go ahead and open the box, I'll show you what's in there. There's not a lot to it, to be honest with you, because it's just a GPS tracker. And then we'll get into setting it up, sending it the commands and showing you how it works with the app in conjunction with the app and all the rest of it. So inside the box with the Tracker Slim you have your magnetic GPS tracker. So this unit has 5 fairly strong magnets on the bottom of it. I haven't had one come off of a car yet, so there's a challenge to anyone, I guess. If you want to try and see if it would come off, do that. I've been in cars with they go on speed bumps at over 60 kilometers an hour and these things haven't budged. It's not pleasant, but if you would like to try it, go ahead and do it. In the bottom of the unit you have your USB charging port, and you also have your SIM card slot. So this unit and also the heavy duty unit that we stock both use a full-size SIM card from either Telstra, Optus, Vodafone or Virgin you can use. So that just gets inserted in there and I'll show you how coming up. And then you just turn the little switch to the on position. So pretty simple little unit. You also have your USB charger, a USB charging cable and a little mini instruction manual, but we will go through all the commands with you in a sec. I'll show you how to get it all set up and best utilise it. The trackers go to sleep by themselves when they're not being, when they have been moving for 10 minutes or more. So if you were to park your car in a car park, and it was longer than 10 minutes, the tracker goes to sleep, and then when you start moving again, it fires up and starts tracking again. The standard bit rate, the standard update rate is about once every 90 seconds on both the slim and the heavy duty, but you can trim that down to once every 5 or 10 seconds if you'd like a more accurate tracking route. So yeah, what I'm going to go ahead and do now is we'll put the SIM card in it, I'll stick it outside and then we'll send it the commands and I'll show you how to get it all up and running.